Good morning, sir, and my dear friends. I am Oshin Bhatnagar with my co-presenter Juhi Goyal, Priyansh Srivastava, and Deshi Gupta. We are here for the presentation of marketing, and our topic is 4 C's of marketing. First of all, we'll see what is marketing. Marketing is what you say, how you say it, how you explain it to the consumer, and what you're talking about the product. Marketing is giving an advertisement in a brochure, online, in a press, nowadays in Twitter, Facebook, Insta, and everything. किसी इंसान को गंजे इंसान को कंघी बेचना is not marketing, it is just selling. Marketing is dealing about the consumer and satisfying the consumer and working about the consumer. Next slide. Marketing is the process of understanding your customers, building and maintaining your relationship with customers for the future. The aim of marketing is to know and understand the customer so well the product or services fits him and sells itself. It is given by Peter F. Drucker. Thank you.
Oh, very good morning, sir. I, Juhi Goyal, and I will start with the marketing mix. Now, what is the meaning of marketing mix? Marketing mix refers to the set of actions or tactics that company uses to promote its brand in the market. The 4 P's that make up the typical marketing mix, that is price, product, place, and promotion. However, nowadays the marketing mix increasingly includes the several 4 P's, that is packaging, positioning, people, and even politics as a vital marketing mix element. Now, I will continue why the marketing mix is important. All the elements of marketing mix influence each other. They can make up the business plan for the company. If it is handled right, so it can give a great success to the company. And if it is handled wrong, so the company could take several years to recover. Here, the marketing mix need lot of understanding, the market research and consultation with other peoples, from to users, to trade, to manufacturers or from others. Now, I would like to describe the 4 P's, that is price, place, product and promotion. Now, what is price? Price refers to the value that is put for the product. It depends on the cost of production, market segmented, and the ability of the market to pay. Second, what is product? Product, that is the item for actually being sold. Third, place. It refers to the point of sale. Fourth, what is promotion? It refers to all the activities undertaken to make the product known to the user or trade. Thank you. The other slides will be continued by Priyansh Srivastava.
A very good morning, sir. I am Priyansh Srivastava and I am here to give the presentation on the topic is 4C of markets. So I am just continuing with the brand strategy. So the first point is product, which is related to the consumer. The product is related to the consumer. The product should fulfill the need and wants of the consumer. Now the second one is price. Price is related to the consumer. Price is related to the cost. The price of product, which means the cost of the product is satisfied. And now the third one is place. Place is related to the convenience and easy for buying. As we know, the place of product in market is easier for buying for the consumer. The fourth one is promotion. Promotion is the communication and give and take. Communication is very important for the promotion of the product, and it should be in the give and take process. Now, consumer. The company's focus is consumer oriented in comparison to the product oriented. The company give high value to fulfill the need and wants of the consumer. Now the cost of the product is that after buying or purchasing the product, the consumer feels satisfaction after purchasing the product. Thank you.
Strategy, third point, convenience. The marketers offer the product should easily be available to the customers and consumers. Convenience means strategical place the product on many sales point. For example, बाड़ा बीच में पड़ता है तो सभी जगह के लोग आ जाते हैं. यदि बाड़ा मेला ग्राउंड पे पड़ता तो सभी जगह के लोग नहीं आ पाते, वहाँ आसपास के लोग ही आ पाते हैं. फोर्थ पॉइंट, कम्युनिकेशन. इट इज द लास्ट एलिमेंट ऑफ 4C's marketing mix. While using this approach, marketers don't promote but communicate the value they offer to the customers. For example, व्हाट्सएप, फेसबुक, इंस्टाग्राम सभी लोग चलाते हैं, तो बीच बीच में वो कंपनी वाले एडवर्टाइजमेंट डालते हैं. दिस इज अ कम्युनिकेशन. कंक्लूजन. The traditional marketing mix model help company define its strategy more effectively. However, the 4C's model, although not much different, really helps it. You are customer oriented firm. Thank you so much.